Welcome to the Secure 7, your ultimate guide into the world of cybersecurity. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up your hacking skill, this is the place to be. Our mission to make cybersecurity accessible, practical, and fun. So whether you are chasing your first cybersecurity job, aiming for a OSCP, or just love hacking legally, subscribe to Secure 7 and start your journey into the cyber world. Learn, hack, and protect. So today's machine is Funbox 2, which is Funbox series, and we have the machine in the virtual box, and this is the our Kali Linux, and we have the machine IP address, which is we find it in the using command net discover. Machine is connected in the already network, same network. Okay, so there will be showing here 103 is our vulnerable machine IP address, and our machine IP address is 102. Let's we jump into the reconnaissance part. Reconnaissance is the very useful part. So here we use the nmap for the network scanning. Here I type SCSV and there is a IP address. Okay, and here is the full report of machine. It is the FTP port is open, 22 port which is SSH port is open, port 80 which is HTTP port is open. So let's we first try the HTTP port. What is in the port 80? So HTTP port is opening in the browser with typing the our IP address, vulnerable IP address. So here is the default page of Apache 2 server Ubuntu, which is all the things here. Let's we find it into the jump it into the FTP. Here is the FTP port having too many zip files here, which is a welcome message, and Jessica, John, Merge, Miriam, Tom. There is many zip file is here. So let's we jump into the FTP port. Here we use the FTP. How we can log in into the FTP with using the FTP command and type the our IP address 192.168.0.103 here. Hit enter. We are logging as anonymous, and also password we use the anonymous, and we are logging again, and we get the all the files with using wildcard. Okay, we exit from here saying bye, clear all these ls here. We have the all the files. Okay, see, let's see first welcome message. Welcome user. Okay, the local time is .t %t. This is the experimental FTP server. If you are having unusual problems, please report. Okay, this is the message. So I have already opening all the zip files, and there will be only one zip file is useful, which is tom.zip. Okay, so tom.zip is the like password protected. So let's we use the John here, zip to John, and which is tom.zip here, convert it into the hash created. Okay, so let's we crack this password of this file. Hash here, and word list we use the rocky.txt and hit enter. And here is the password of this machine. Sorry, here is the password of zip file. Okay, so let's we crack the zip here, unzip here, unzip again, try this, enter, and we have the file which is id underscore rsa. id underscore RSA is useful for the login into the SSH here. First we changing the mode of id RSA, hit enter. Now we SSH login into the tom at the rate 192.168.0.103 is our IP address dash I for the IDRSA file. Hit enter. Yes. Now we are logging into the Tom terminal here. You can see we use the ID command. Here is the ID command and UID is Tom, GUID is Tom. Okay, so let's we find it out. LS here, CD home here. Okay, CD is restricted. So now we taking the root here, ls dash la here first. Here is the nothing files is here. There is no files is. There is a MySQL history is here. So let's we open this MySQL history, and here is the history data, which is okay. So it's not working here. Here there is nothing following commands here. So let's we type just sudo su here, and we are rooted. cd home here. There is no file in such directory. Okay, ls here, cd dot go to the root directory, ls here, get flag dot txt here, and here is the final flag funbox rooted here, and we complete this machine. System login out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity and hacking content. This is Secure 7 Learn, Hack, Protect.